Good afternoon, all. First, I would like to say thank you to the committee who arranged this event, the 5 IceMine 2022, and also thank you to the participants who are here to listen my presentation. My name is Aris Rinaldi from Technical Implementation Unit for Dam Engineering, Ministry of Public Work and Housing, Indonesia. The second author of this paper is Mr. Lilik Eko Widodo from Research Group of Earth Resource Exploration, Bandung Institute of Technology. And the third author of this paper is Mr. Reza Adi Fajar from Department of Civil Engineering and Earth Science, Banjarmasin State Polytechnic. This is my short curriculum vitae, my bachelor degree from Civil Engineering at Institut Teknologi Bandung, and my master degree from Groundwater Engineering at Institut Teknologi Bandung. And these are my several publications. And this also my short curriculum vitae. In June 2022, my paper has selected and presented in ICOL 27 Congress and 90 Annual Meeting in Marseille, France. This is my outline of my presentation. First, introduction, method, and till conclusion of this research paper. This is background of my paper. Consolidation theory, Terzaghi in 1943, is commonly applied at saturated soil, which is associated with pore media layer under groundwater level. In fact, actual conditions show that consolidation phenomenon is also frequently happen to unsaturated soil. The parameter that is frequently measured at feeder zone is water content, and we need to relate water content parameter to know the configuration of consolidation value at zone above groundwater level. And next, this is the problem framework of my paper, that loading is considered as constant in frame of constant total stress. Constant loading is considered to cause air dissipating earlier than water, due to air compressibility is more than water compressibility. Water dissipation is gradual, and temperature effect is ignored in this study, and air dissipation causes air come out unsaturated zone that slowly and gradually turn the unsaturated zone to be saturated. If water saturated condition is achieved, that the water dissipation will happen, and this called saturated consolidation based on the Terzaghi. This is the objective and also problem restriction of my research paper. From the objective, first is to apply Terzaghi's saturated consolidation theory at unsaturated media, and second, to formulate initially nonlinear consolidating coefficient at unsaturated zone or soil, and the three or the last is to know correlation between infiltration phenomenon to consolidation theory. Based on the problem restriction, first consolidation equation used in this study is using one-dimensional, is a vertical approach, z-axis, and adopt from Terzaghi equation. And water dissipation is not evaluated in this research, and water dissipation only influenced by loading and infiltration. And the last from problem restriction is volume change coefficient is not varied, and it's set to one value, which is 0.75. This is my research method of my paper, preliminary formulation of nonlinear consolidation coefficient for unsaturated soil. With the first is concept identification, and next equation and parameter adjustment, and next we did laboratory test and modeling with three modeling: conceptual, mathematical, and numerical. And last we have conclusion for the research. This is concept elaboration of my research paper, that consolidation equation always related to the time. First, increase with increasing compressibility. Second, decrease by increasing permeability. In this case is hydraulic conductivity. Third, increases rapidly with increasing grain size of the soil mass. And four is not related to the stress change. Based on the concept elaboration, I propose this conceptual model of unsaturated consolidation. From the unsaturated consolidation to the saturated consolidation, we can see at the figure 1 at the PowerPoint presentation. And last of concept elaboration, we can see the concept adjustment from saturated water content to unsaturated water content, and last from pore water pressure to unsaturated pore water pressure, which is varied based on unsaturated coefficient of consolidation value. The concept adjustment is related to the water content distribution. These are 4 laboratory tests that using in my research, such as physical test, clustering test, PF test, and infiltration column test. In physical test, we did filtration analysis and hydrometer, moisture and water content test, and hydraulic conductivity or permeability coefficient test. For clustering test, we did grain refinement, grain size sorting, equivalent to sand, silt, and clay. For PF test, we did measurement of water content distribution based on negative pressure or suction. And for infiltration column test, we did observation of water content distribution from infiltration simulation. Based on this slide, we can see the parameterization of unsaturated conductivity hydraulic value based on the water content and PF. And the chart, we can see that the unsaturated conductivity hydraulic is close to 1 for the R square. This is the parameterization of unsaturated consolidation coefficient value for the materials based on the water content. In this slide, we can see the numerical solution for my research paper. The first is the determination of variation in the value of pore water pressure with steady-state simulation. And this is the determination of variations in the value of pore water pressure with unsteady-state simulations. And this is the determination of boundary condition with direct distribution at the surface and also at the ground. We can see at the picture. And this is the pore water pressure distribution calculation table, spreadsheet table with initial condition, steady state condition with direct distribution at surface and at the ground. And this is the pore water pressure distribution calculation table, spreadsheet table with initial condition in unsteady state with direct distribution at the surface and at the ground. In this slide, we can see the determination of boundary condition with a Newman distribution at the surfaces and directly at the ground. We can see at the picture. And this is the pore water pressure distribution calculation table or spreadsheet table with initial condition in steady state condition with Newman distribution at the surface and direct distribution at the ground. And this pore water pressure distribution calculation table, spreadsheet table with initial condition in unsteady state condition with Newman distribution at the surface and direct distribution at the ground. In the chart of numerical solution, we can see the unsaturated pore pressure chart with delta H x-axis for unsteady state condition. And in this chart, we can see that the unsaturated pore pressure chart is different from the last or before slide. In this chart, we can see the unsaturated pore pressure chart with delta time or x-axis for unsteady state condition. In this case study, we are using the clay equivalent materials. In this picture, we can see that the chart of unsaturated conductivity hydraulic and unsaturated consolidation coefficient with different water content for equivalent materials. Based on case study, we can say that generally consolidation occurs in cohesive soil layer or clay, where clay soil have low permeability, so that pore water takes a relatively long time to dissipate due to loading. And from the description of the conceptual mathematical, and numerical model of the clay soil case study, it can be concluded that the value of the consolidating coefficient is directly proportional to the value of the hydraulic conductivity influenced by variation in the distribution of water content in unsaturated soil. Based on this research paper, we can summary that Terzaghi's consolidation concept with one-dimensional vertical approach can be implemented in unsaturated soil, and variation of pore water pressure is dependent to the water content in Padu zone according to the characteristic of the porous media material that is being reviewed. And last, an increase in the distribution of water content value during the infiltration process result in a proportional increase in the value of pore water pressure or can be analogized as negative consolidation phenomenon. And these are the several publications that related to this research. I would like to say thanks to the LPDP for sponsoring my thesis, and also thanks to Bandung Institute of Technology and Banjarmasin State Polytechnic for sponsor the presentation of my Ichimine 2022. And thank you for all your attention. If there is any question, can ask directly or contact me via email. Thank you very much.